We have an exciting program scheduled today. This year's event has brought together investors, CEOs, as well as legal, accounting, consulting, investment banking professionals who facilitate introductions and help venture firms and entrepreneurs fulfill their missions.
My name is Matt Neff. I'm the president of Clearing Health Ventures, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of a large healthcare system in Indiana called Clearing Health Partners. Our fund size is $25 million.
We manage approximately $2 billion of capital under management.
Hi, I'm Steve Cooper with Silos Group. We have $580 million under management. We're currently investing our third fund. It's about $300 million.
We're 7 investment professionals, $500 million under management.
My name is Stacy Feld. I'm a director at Physic Ventures in San Francisco, and we're a first fund with $159 million under management.
We have about $750 million under management. We invest in healthcare and life sciences.
I'm Rosina Marpavia, and I'm with Paps Ventures. We have $350 million under management.
I'm Liam Ratcliffe. I'm from New Leaf Venture Partners. New Leaf has $1.3 billion under management, is investing out of New Leaf 2, which is a $450 million fund, and currently is about 1/3 invested.
NEA has been around since 1978, has about $10 billion under management.
The majority of economics work today.
There were panel discussions today with venture capital people talking about what it is that makes a company attractive in terms of a venture capital investment and providing advice on different strategies. But maybe as valuable as just the opportunity to network, not only with venture capital people that are at this meeting, but also with other entrepreneurs, because you never know where a discussion can lead. It might lead you to a strategic partner or a source of capital or an exit opportunity down the road. So there's a number of values at attending a conference like this.
I love these summits. I try to make them as much as I can. It's a nice way to see a lot of deals and meet entrepreneurs, which is probably the most fun as a venture capitalist that you get to have, is to look at new ideas and meet new people that are enthusiastic about those ideas.
The summit here in Boston has been great. It's particularly a great opportunity for West Coast investors such as Physic Ventures to get a better view on the entrepreneurial community on the East Coast, and particularly within Boston, so I do recommend it.
It's actually a very good opportunity to meet other VCs, hear how they're thinking. Particularly important to meet entrepreneurs who are networking and attempting to navigate this complex world of venture capital and fundraising, and some actually quite interesting opportunities just on the face of it in the first couple of sessions.
Today was a really exceptional day for me. I mean, this is my second Young Startup Ventures summit that I come to, and I find that there's really exceptional value. I mean, it was a day of really learning a lot of stuff, absorbing all the information. I was taking notes furiously. I'm going to go home and review everything. But the quality of information that's presented is very, very high. The quality of the networking is also very high. I had a chance to meet some really terrific new contacts, and I think it was really just time well spent.
I think it's a great place to get visibility, a lot of diverse businesses, and a lot of place to get feedback not only from potential investors but also from entrepreneurs in the similar space. I've actually got a lot of really interesting referrals from other entrepreneurs, which was an interesting side benefit of the conference. So.
I found it to be very well organized, very well managed, and it was a great group of people on the panels that addressed the audience, and the company presentations were very well done, and I found it to be valuable and very interesting.
I'd highly recommend it to entrepreneurs. I think it's a great place to come and sort of get exposed to the financing side of the business, which is something you don't want to spend a lot of time on, but something you want to know a lot about.
Yeah, I'd certainly recommend it to entrepreneurs. The ability to network with VCs, also listen and hear how venture capitalists are thinking currently, what their pressures are, what their constraints are. Also to hear from each other and learn from each other. I think that's it's actually invaluable. This is a great venue, both the combination of actually potentially finding investors, but also learning what the investors are looking for and learning how others are doing it.
It's definitely worth the value. So I mean, if you're hesitant about spending the money, I think you should really consider it, because it's a day, it's a great learning day and it's a great networking day.
There's some really good feedback from some of the VCs in terms of how you pitch companies and roadblocks and certain words to avoid.
I thought it was an excellent occasion today. A very nice blend of companies presenting and a very interesting group of venture capital and angel investors. And the panels I thought were really excellent. Some of the panels you attend, people are speaking in very stylized fashion, not really answering the questions, but these were all very frank and open, and I thought that they were very valuable.